guys, these are the warriors I'm going with today. It's supposed to be a lot more, but just because of the storm, everyone decided to be home. So these are the surviving soldiers. The surviving. You guys remember this guy from my last video, right? He's a very wicked guy. Very, very wicked guy. Very, very wicked guy. And see this female soldier. Oh my God. You guys are about to see. Crazy.
Acting like he's a steeplechase. Ooh. I don't look so bad on that camera.
Okay.
Still look kind of handsome.
Oh, really?
RG2.
How am I?
You see?
Huh?
RG2 step.
Ah,
Don't wet your sweat. Oh my God. No.
Don't know.
So guys, you are taking like a 5 minutes break?
No.
Or 1 minute break?
2 minutes.
2 minutes.
Yeah, smart 2 minutes.
That's not even nothing.
We've not even started, young miss.
Watch there.
Oh, you see that?
You study here.
See that?
Bro, you're a professional footballer.
Watch here. When we reach up there, he gonna stop here. So let me rest now.
You're a professional footballer. You're not
You
easy.
footballer.
You?
Insurance.
Ah!
After you watch quad.
What the professional footballer there?
Yeah, see him there.
Where?
Okay. You!
I don't see him anywhere.
And this one here has retired. It's not a money making machine. Well, this, I don't even know, like.
Leave it as that.
Okay, leave it as that. Okay. Another money making machine, guys. Another money making machine. Yeah. Guys, I can't promise you I'm tired. But the only thing I can say is I can't wait to get there. I can't wait to get there, definitely. Because this mountain, like, Jesus. How?
It won't be that steep.
No, it's
You told me that.
not a climbing.
Alright, guys, the journey begins. We are going to the top. Wait, we're going up there?
Between them clouds here.
Inside the cloud?
Yeah.
Young men. Your jacket for what? You don't want the ice bath?
No, I don't feel in chilly.
Chilly-ish?
I'm feeling chilly.
Feeling chilly?
Okay.
Okay, ladies and gents. We now take a left.
What?
Governament is trapping the system. Government is trapping the system. Government is trapping the system. Government is trapping the system.
So guys,
What happened?
we're taking a trip through the jungle.
Woo! Man, I need to wet up. What?
One victim. So guys, we have a victim to the system. The jungle system. She can't fall alone. The next victim to the system. The jungle system. Yeah, you get one.
This place is so cold.
Hey, what Dora said? Come on, vámonos.
Everybody, let's go.
This guy's bathing.
Woo! Let's go.
Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. So right now we're just climbing up. We're going up and up and up. Good now, guys. Mountain life. Mountain life. The next one.
What? Sorry.
She got too far for her name. She got too far for her name.
What? Wait till that one again. You exceeded your 2 falls.
Yeah, she got too far for her name. She's losing.
Come on, no, enter the water.
Huh?
Enter the water.
Yeah, continue. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go behind.
Okay.
Go behind.
Government is trapping the system.
You want to be in? Duck out.
What? Tell him to be inside.
Yeah, we inside yet.
Inside.
Are you kidding me? So this video is going to be an hour video?
When you reach the first puddle, that's when we start.
Yeah.
So we are not there yet?
No, we're not there yet.
Guys, they say we are not there yet.
We didn't even start
We've
yet.
never even started.
The last time we come up here, earlier was joy.
All the
Guys,
Last time we come up here, earlier was joy.
we didn't take our vaccine. So right now we're looking for a place to
So
stay.
that's good sign.
Yo, I'm really the best cameraman alive.
Yes. Fine.
Huh?
How did you discover this place?
Because recently I heard news going around that who didn't take the vaccine has to leave and find somewhere else to stay. So I decided to take it up on myself and come in the mountains and find me a piece of land. And on my way up in the mountains, I discovered this beautiful waterfall.
So
And I want
that means we need to call this place Kwan's Water. Yeah.
No,
What name?
I don't know. But right now, welcome to the Discovery Channel.
Good? No?
She doing good.
Yeah, I think so.
She's doing way better than Larry's on his first time. Hey, I'm gonna show you Larry's stone. Larry's got a stone up here, he falls. I name it after him.
Now we're ready for spot. Come now one to you. Come now fast, no fucking got far like
I got a lot of them.
Poundstone.
Hey, what you got to do?
Not me though.
Not yet.
Not yet.
Not yet.
Me siang kwan on fall similar. Fall and so on.
I thought y'all just going in the go on and go on, sure.
Yeah, just go. Show them what you got.
You too.
Yeah, I will go when they go. They're the professionals. Okay. Okay.
Ready?
Yeah, no boy.
Hey, the diamond. One next one.
Go, Kwan.
Come to the G.
Wow, really? Wow, really?
Come in the mind.
Go.
Who was it? Who was it? Who was it?
I'm going in there.
Who was it? Who was it?
Guys.
Guys, don't worry.
Down there.
Where's the center? Listen. Hey, get out, Joe. Hey, get out, Joe. No, I missed.
What, Adrian? What's up? And set up there. Guys, what's up?
Not me.
It's not mine.
No, you guys.
What the phone of mine?
No, not even this. Not that deep. Guys, we're having fun. If you're not in St. Kitts, come to St. Kitts.
Y'all missing out.
If you're in St. Kitts, let's make it a date and come on this hike. You're gonna have fun. I'm having so much fun.
That's right. Let's do a montage, a hot montage, Adrian.
Go in, go in.
Not me, you. You go back.
Go in.
Go back and flash it here.
What? Like
Yeah.
in here or up? Let's go up. Guys, we're going up. Hold the camera for now.
I'll show you across here.
This may even want to go through the water. I don't want to do that.
Alright, chicken time with some go on.
Let me do a montage for you.
You want to do a what?
A montage in this one. Of the waterfall. So come back here, guys. Let me show you.
Oh, okay.
You pay me good for this, eh?
Okay, I'm gonna pay you good for this. Okay, no problem.
What you gonna want to do?
I don't want you to do it.
Oh, okay.
How long you want it?
Government is trapping the system. Government is trapping the system. Government is trapping the system. system.
Okay guys, this is Juan's spot, his favorite spot on the hike. We are about to take a serious dip.
Go ahead, no way.
So let's go. What's that?
Hey, come here. They must be here.
That's why you got there for your hand. That is it.
Go ahead.
You get in.
Go first, it's your part.
I went already. You didn't capture it.
Okay.
Go ahead.
What am I supposed to do? Dive?
No, you can jump in.
Dive. They come on another put your foot.
Yeah.
Like this?
Keep your foot there. I got sword right here.
No, I'm not diving.
Go down slow.
I'll just jump.
Okay, just jump.
Jump where? Here?
Yeah.
You want to hear them Adrian here? What?
Ah?
You want to hear them Adrian here?
This is gonna be Adrian's favorite part.
Yo, you put up here, right? When you reach up next, you got to see you so.
Got it, Adrian.
Drop the pan there.
Take out your phone back. Later, got it.
You sure? I'm scared though.
What are you scared for?
That's why you slow.
Okay guys, yeah, it's cool, bro, it's cool. Woo! Guys, bro! Guys, I can't swim very well, guys. I cannot swim very well. But I could do a little thing. So, no, it's not deep. I wish this was a sea. You would have seen my swimming skills.
This way you gotta show your swimming skills.
Not here.
Right here.
How?
If you can dive here, you can dive anywhere.
Okay, so I dove. What was that? I saw some. Okay.
What you saw?
You can, yeah, it's a leak. You can take a video of him dive.
Keep going.
So how are you gonna come up if you hold it?
Yeah, she can go up.
How can you leave with the phone?
Huh?
How will you leave with the phone?
Yeah, I can go up there, yeah.
Okay, you put it in your pocket, right?
Yeah.
You got it on the phone.
Yeah.
Okay, come, tell it.
Oh yeah. My turn. Everybody went up already. I'm the last man standing. I'm gonna show you how it's done. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. You just go up. You just go up.
Yeah.
So now we're slowly approaching the waterfall.
What? I want a bit. I'm going to look at this here.
We're slowly approaching the waterfall.
What?
After this step,
I want to put this one.
when we come back,
right now.
When we come back, why?
Yeah, sit up. Yeah, sit up. Yeah.
Go on, let's. Yes, be a gentleman.
Sit up and
Government is trapping the system.
Finally! Finally!
This man is looking for how to pose, man. He's looking for a good view.
Finally the sun is here. Yes! 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 We're here! St. Kitts and Nevis, Monkey Hill. Let's go!
Government is trapping the system.
Yeah, we're here.
Government is trapping the system. Government is trapping the system.
Alright, so guys,
We made it. Oh yeah.
this is the end of the hike. We had fun. And I'm going to encourage you guys to come out, man. Come out sometime, visit this place. If you're not in St. Kitts, try to visit St. Kitts. We have some beautiful places. Actually, I just discovered this place today. So thanks to these guys at the back.
Government is trapping the system.
So guys, make sure you come out next time. Juan, when is the next date?
Whenever you want it to be. Back to you.
You in, Kellen?
Of course, let us know in the comments below.